You're welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off weekly screen time updates on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now click on notifications here. Scroll this bar and you can see here weekly screen time updates. If you want to turn it off, that you will not manage or that you will not get notification, you are not interested in your weekly screen time update, then turn it off. In this way you can do this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.